Hi, it's Todd of Todd's Workshop here, and we are back. My channel has been rescued from the limbo that the Bitcoin scanners put it into when I was hijacked on the Friday night. I asked you all to shout out and to let YouTube know, because YouTube can be a little bit deaf sometimes. And my goodness me, you shouted loud. The energy, the effort, the work that you put in on our behalf has left me speechless. You'll know from my videos I'm not an emotional guy. I've been in tears over this. Not my situation. I'm pretty stoic. Just the work that you put in on our behalf, my behalf. I just don't know how to say thank you. I can't. And all I can do is when somebody comes to me in the same situation, what comes around goes around. I will not forget this moment. I'll not forget the help that I've been given. It's been unbelievable. As part of that, I emailed a whole load of YouTubers that I knew in the same sort of arms and armour community. And my goodness me, they rolled up their shirt sleeves and they got to work on their YouTube contacts, on any other channels that they could work out, whether it was making videos or whether it was talking to their contact list, whatever it was. You guys have been amazing, and I'm going to go off the list here because I can't miss any of you out. I'll send you all mails as well to let you know, but Shadiversity, Metatron, Skallagrim, Mighty Jurg Sprav, Matt Easton at Scala Gladiatoria, Jason Kingsley, Modern History TV, Lindy, Beige, you have been amazing. I cannot thank you enough for what you have done to rescue my channel. I really can't. You have been unbelievable, and thank you so much. Thank you, all of you. And we will have more videos, and we will be back soon. Thank you.